Hello, everyone. For today's video, Central Tech has found the most ingenious construction workers that are on another level, and it's time to share them with you. Get ready to see some mind-blowing skills, professional secrets, and stellar inventions. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Really, I don't know how they came up with the idea of removing shingles with a pitchfork, but just look at how effective it is. Imagine how long this craftsman had to hone his skills to be able to cut such fragile material so easily and accurately. If you think this looks easy, just remember that these painters have no room for error. All you need is a couple dozen bricks and this genius to make your window look stunning. Now, try not to get stuck watching these precise movements. Look at these workers. Just imagine how much experience and flexibility they need to do this. This is what happens when you hire a perfectionist to do your stone stairs. Alright, you don't even need special equipment if your team is as resourceful as this one. Why waste time coming down off the roof when you've got skills like this? Careful, this guy is a professional. This worker is so good at restoring stairs that he seems to enjoy the process more than the job itself. These geniuses found an easy way to pull a sunken excavator out of a bog, and that way is physics. This guy figured out how not to get the floor dirty with silicone compound. Why didn't I think of this before? Hello, could you make a parking lot for us in the backyard? Of course, it will be ready by tomorrow. What? How? Turns out these builders weren't kidding when they promised to build a backyard parking lot in a single day. This guy is so good at what he does that you could watch him work all day. This is how bent wood is made, truly incredible. Check out this smart way to use a rope to make a smooth curved line for the bricks. While we're all living in 2023, this genius is already in 2033. This guy is definitely an engineer at heart. Just look at the incredible table he created with his own hands. Man, it even has an LED sensor. Thanks to this expert, the whole street will be done in just a few hours. This is what insulating a house looks like when a master gets down to business. What? I always thought they were separate plates. Excellent work. If you want to finish the repair ahead of schedule, call this guy. I bet that just one worker like this is more effective than a whole team of painters. You know you're a real pro when you can play floor is lava on an excavator. That's incredible. This is what I call teamwork. Seems like together they can move mountains. This man definitely used to be a fan of sandcastles as a child, but look what he can do with the sand now. To make your renovation look even more expensive, then call this master of strife. Still hauling heavy curb stones? Then take a look at how this genius does the job. Just imagine how long it must take to cover the entire wall with this, but the result is incredible. Who knows how many perfectionists this hero saved by rearranging the papers by color. His father taught him to work smarter, not harder, and so he came up with this device. Googling how to level fresh cement without ruining it doesn't make sense anymore because this genius just showed us how. These guys make building a pergola look so easy. They do brilliant work and have super cozy results. You might be asking why didn't he cut it on the ground, and his answer is because I can do it anywhere. Guy almost 5 hours, some paint masking tape, and incredible talent to create this stylish mandala. It's hard to find someone who can make you a floor out of such high-quality oak blocks because master builders like this are few and far between. The era of getting down and dirty to wash the underside of your car is officially over. Unleash the brilliance of this portable shower screen for discreet and refreshing showers anywhere, anytime. This brush will completely change your pet hair cleaning game. My life would have been so much easier had I known about this device sooner. A truly priceless gadget that ensures your fingers stay where they are. Have you ever laid eyes on a faucet that's even half as awesome? Neither have I. Oh, here comes that darn jar again. Are we sure this isn't being played backward with the incredible ringing power of this mop? It's hard to believe otherwise. Never again will you have to choose which t-shirt to leave at home because there's not enough room in your suitcase. I promise. Now I'm excited to go diving just to get my hands on these amazing tools. This device makes perfect markings in less than a blink of an eye. It's amazing how this garden saw can reach any branch. I bet I know what you're going to be this Halloween. Witness this lightning-fast method for fixing leaks in no time. Hold this flawless glue applicator. Oh, check out this compact item I found for your garden tools that are scattered throughout the garage. Get ready to witness how this nifty gadget turns a tough job into a piece of cake. To you, these innovative climbing sticks that truly take your hunting experience to another level. Say goodbye to old-fashioned stoves because this self-heating pan is the future. Save yourself from wasting time cleaning and peeling vegetables. You haven't seen true convenience until you've witnessed this method. Level up your coin game with this revolutionary organizer. Could this smart trash can pick up my trash on its own? Here's a no-hassle way to measure length. Experience the power of a pressure washer that effortlessly removes paint and dirt from concrete surfaces. This heady thing will allow you to say, "Hey mom, watch me make the bed like a boss." Hold on tight for this fabulous tip. No more raking because this device has you covered for effortless leaf collection. Get those hard-to-reach places on your body with this amazing device. Get a load of this pocket-sized thermal vision device that can see up to 90 meters. Unbelievable! This is next-level stuff. This device is the true embodiment of the "work smarter, not harder" principle. So satisfying. That's the last cool tool we have for you today. If you want more, just drop a comment with hashtag I want to see more, and don't forget to like this video to let us know we're on the right track. Catch you soon.